Finally, the first official teaser for Samsung Unpacked has dropped, revealing the Galaxy S25 launch date and a hint of big surprises in store. Samsung fans, the wait is almost over. The first official teaser for Galaxy Unpacked has leaked, courtesy of Evan Blass, confirming the Galaxy S25 series launch date. Mark your calendars, January 22, 2025, because that's when Samsung is set to unveil its latest flagship lineup. While the venue isn't officially revealed, it's expected to be held in the United States, likely in San Francisco or San Jose. The teaser hints at some exciting design changes. Samsung seems to be ditching the sharp, boxy design in favor of a flatter middle frame with slight curves, reminiscent of the iPhone's design philosophy. Redesigned camera rings also make an appearance, differing between what's likely the Ultra and Plus models. The mystery fourth model. The teaser features not 3, but 4 devices, sparking rumors about the Galaxy S25 Slim. This thinner, sleeker model is expected to pack the same power as its siblings, but could have a staggered release, potentially launching in Q2 next year between April and June. Samsung Unpacked 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting launches yet. Are you ready for the Galaxy S25 lineup? Let us know your thoughts on the possible 4th model and the design changes. Breaking news. Fresh renders of the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra just dropped, giving us an exciting glimpse at what Samsung's next big flagships might look like. Samsung's Galaxy S25 series launch is just around the corner and the leaks are coming hot. The latest scoop? A new set of renders showcasing the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra has surfaced online, courtesy of the reliable Evan Blass. These renders, while not the highest resolution, give us what looks like official marketing material for these devices. Think of them as a sneak peek into Samsung's polished promotional content, just in a more modest form. This isn't the first time we've seen the Galaxy S25 series in leaks, though. Earlier today, alleged hands-on images of the Galaxy S25 Plus made the rounds, and both these new renders and the older leaks align with the CAD renders that surfaced earlier this year. The renders reveal subtle but stylish details about the Galaxy S25 Plus and Ultra. The wallpapers on both devices stand out, offering a sneak peek into Samsung's creative spin for this generation. The Galaxy S25 Plus sports a vibrant wallpaper similar to earlier leaks, which some suggest is Samsung's take on Apple's dynamic island concept. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, on the other hand, features a sophisticated brownish gold backdrop with an elegant S woven into the design. There's also a glimpse of what seems to be the latest version of One UI, likely tailored for these devices. While there aren't many drastic changes visible compared to the Galaxy S24 series, a sleek design and familiar rounded corners of the Ultra hint at Samsung's commitment to blending innovation with user-favorite aesthetics. More high-res leaks on the horizon. Although these renders don't provide crystal-clear details, they solidify many of the design rumors we've seen so far, like the rounded edges on the Ultra model. With just weeks to go before the official announcement, higher-resolution leaks are almost inevitable, and they're bound to reveal even more about what Samsung has in store. Stay tuned, because the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be another blockbuster from Samsung. Which model are you most excited about? The sleek Galaxy S25 Plus or the powerhouse Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments. Now let's talk about some previous Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks. If you are a regular viewer, you can skip this video here, and if you are new here, watch this video till the end. Hold on to your seats, Samsung fans. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is gearing up to bring jaw-dropping changes, design tweaks that might just make it the king of 2025. Let's dive into the exciting details. Samsung is turning up the heat in the smartphone world, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is proof. With leaks and renders flooding the internet, we now have insider details about its bold new design, straight from none other than Ice Universe. The upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just about power, it's about presence. While Samsung hasn't revealed official visuals yet, Ice Universe hints that the design will be absolutely breathtaking. The phone is also set to crush rivals like the Xiaomi 15 and iPhone 16 Pro Max, especially with its insanely slim bezels. Imagine a display that looks almost borderless, with perfectly symmetrical bezels seamlessly blending into the middle frame. It's not just a phone, it's a work of art. Ice also said in the start of this tweet, "I saw some S25 Ultra renderings, which are very beautiful, but I'm sorry I can't post them. Colors that will steal the show. The S25 Ultra isn't holding back when it comes to style. Here's a sneak peek at the color combos. Blue, a stunning light blue back with a sleek silver frame that has a hint of blue. Black, bold black paired with a classy silver frame. White, clean white on the back highlighted by a light silver frame. Gray, sophisticated gray with subtle gold tones, completed by a matching frame. And let's not forget the official names, they scream premium. Think titanium blue, titanium black, titanium white silver, and titanium gray. Samsung might also drop a few colors as online exclusives, so fans will need to act fast to grab their favorites. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's shaping up to be a statement piece. With bold aesthetics, cutting-edge design, and colors that redefine elegance, Samsung is ready to raise the bar yet again. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could destroy the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but only if Samsung does these 5 things. Let's talk about where Samsung can hit Apple hard and claim the smartphone crown. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is gearing up to be a serious contender in the premium flagship space, but let's face it, beating Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just about specs, it's about strategy. While the iPhone sales are off the charts, Samsung can still make the better phone if they get a few things right. So here are 5 crucial moves Samsung must make to take down Apple's giant. 1. Bring back the 10x zoom. Remember the 10x optical zoom on the Galaxy S23 Ultra? That was Samsung flexing hard, leaving iPhone users drooling. But for some reason, Samsung downgraded to 5x zoom on the S24 Ultra, matching Apple. Why play nice? If Samsung brings back the 10x zoom on the S25 Ultra, it would give Samsung an undeniable edge. Leaks, though, suggest Samsung might stick to 5x again. Samsung, don't miss this chance, bring back the beast. 2. Upgrade the ultra-wide camera. Ultra-wide shots are where creativity shines, but here's the problem. Samsung's 12MP ultra-wide feels dated compared to Apple's shiny 48-megapixel sensor. Good news? Leaks hint that Samsung is working on a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera for the S25 Ultra. It's time for Samsung to deliver and prove that Android can dominate every lens. 3. Boost the battery life. Let's be real, battery life can make or break a phone. The Galaxy S24 Ultra already packs great stamina, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max goes toe-to-toe with it despite having a smaller battery. Here's what Samsung needs to do: squeeze out more efficiency with a new Snapdragon or Exynos chip. A bigger 5,000 mAh battery is fine, but Samsung needs to outlast Apple. Give us that all-day power user win. 4. Lower the price, or at least don't raise it. The Galaxy S24 Ultra hit wallets hard, starting at $1,299, which is more expensive than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Look, we know the S25 Ultra will never be cheap, but if Samsung matches or undercuts Apple's price, it could turn heads. Unfortunately, rumors suggest prices may climb even higher. Samsung, if you're listening, a small price cut could win big fans. 5. Polish One UI. No more clutter. One of Apple's secret weapons is iOS, clean, smooth, and just works. Meanwhile, Samsung's One UI sometimes feels, well, messy. If Samsung wants to win, One UI 7 needs to feel faster, cleaner, and smarter. Give us a software experience that feels as premium as the hardware. So there you have it, 5 ways the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could wipe the floor with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But what do you think Samsung needs to do to take the crown? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest on these tech battles. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.